With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Here the statement 1 says that the total translational kinetic energy of molecules of a given mass of an ideal gas is 1.5 times of the product of its pressure and volume. And in the statement 2, it is said that the molecule of the gas collide with each other and the velocity of the molecule changes due to the collision. So if you see the translational kinetic energy, you already know the translational kinetic energy. There are 3 degrees of freedom related to the translational motion in XYZ. So we write it as this. And from the ideal gas equation, you already know that the PV is equals to nRT. So if you put the value of nRT as PV, you can also write it as 3 by 2 times of PV. So yes, the statement 1 is true. Statement 2, if I talk about, yes, if the two particles collide, it's obvious the velocity will change, right? Though the collision will be elastic, right? We assume that the collision are elastic, but if we are talking about the velocity, so velocity will definitely change, right? The molecules of the gas collide with each other and the velocity of the molecule change due to their collision. Yes, it changes. So this is also true, but this is not a correct explanation for the assertion 1, because if you see, the translational energy is 3 by 2 times of PV. It is because of the degree of freedom associated with the translational motion are 3, and we know that F by 2 nRT, we write the kinetic energy. So if you see here, the correct option here will be B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.